Let's go for a sleigh ride. What's going on, y'all? Burgos here. Over here checking out these people, these kids in the snowstorm. After the snowstorm. Glory. How are you? God bless you. These kids are having a ball. It reminded me when I was a kid. I used to do the same thing. You like that, right? Detroit Tigers. Well, these kids, do you want to build a snowman? They're going to be making some snowmans here probably very soon. We're in New York City. After the snowstorm, we got about 26 inches in Central Park, I think it was. Manhattan is crazy. A lot of the businesses are closed down. A lot of the churches today have no service. That's why I'm out here. What else? Unfortunately, some people passed yesterday. Who's that? Mr. Len Fox. God bless you. How are you? A few people passed, unfortunately, because of shoveling snow. And this is a thing you need to be careful of. If you're shoveling snow, be very careful, because there's many people all over this country in the East Coast who I gotta watch myself. Goodness, I get run over by a reindeer. A lot of people, unfortunately, because of the shoveling, are caught stroke. You know, is that French? I don't speak French. But anyway, I hope you guys are enjoying the snow, the weather, no matter where you're from, East Coast, West Coast. No, not West Coast. What am I saying? East Coast. And making the best of it. Let me put it back on the other side so you can see. Photobomb. Got a photobomb. Just kidding. Len Fox, God bless you. Married me when I was a boy. Now that's a lot of kids. There gotta be 1,000 kids here. Hello, DC. Look at this one. Whoa! My God, that little girl's going fast. Look at these guys. Whoa! Even the dogs getting involved. Hello, California. Don't you wish you were here? They're coming down so fast. Hello, Missouri. Look at this one. Yeah. I'm gonna get on the sleigh too. I don't think so. So, like I was saying, we got hit with about 26 inches here in New York City. Hello, friends. And we're just doing what we normally do after a storm. The kids come out and make the best of it because tomorrow's school. Nah, it's not really cold. I'm overdressed as usual. 30 degrees for me is nothing. When you start hitting below 20, that's when I start saying it's cold. But still in all, people are here making the best of it here in Riverdale, in the Bronx. I gotta block somebody. Somebody gotta be a clown. Hello from Philly. So, you know, today is gonna be an interesting day. A lot of people parking, getting out of their parking spot. Is going to be a challenge because all the sanitation does is just they pile all the snow. How many know on top of you, of your car? So for you to get out is no joke. So that's how it is. Okay, DC schools are closed tomorrow. Probably be the same over here. There'll probably be no school. These kids are probably loving it. You know, they probably say, "Yay, no school." Okay, let me show you one more time before we wrap this up. Oh my God, there's so many of them. I can't even keep. Look at this one. Oh my Lord. Oh. Yo. Oh no. I gotta get out of the way. They're gonna run me over. Oh Lord, look at this one. If I don't get out of the way, they're gonna run me over. Now that I got you here, one quick announcement. I'm going to be doing a prophetic teaching come the first week of February in prophetic ministry. I got to look at the camera and look at them run me over. So you have not signed up for it, please do so. Hit me up on Facebook, Gil Burgos. Inbox me. I'll add you to the list. We're going to start the prophetic teaching the first week of February. I'll let you know a time and what days. Probably be twice a week. And we'll let you know exactly what we're going to do. I don't know the duration of the class. I'm still praying about it as far as what I want to do. See what God puts in my heart. I don't know the longevity, how long I'm going to do it based on my schedule. But I'm going to probably do it twice a week. As far as the times, most likely I might do an AM and a PM for those who can't get to either one. For those people that are not able to make in the day, and vice versa, I'll do it probably in the nighttime as well, and I'll make it twice. Oh goodness. Hello, Holland. So for more information, hit me up on Facebook and I'll inbox you all the information. Okay, I'll let you know. But we'll get rocked. We're going to begin starting our teaching training. I've got an overwhelming response on Facebook. Yesterday I made the announcement and I had about maybe 40 people inbox me, and it was good. People want to know more about the prophetic, and God has commissioned me to train people, even leaders. So you're more than welcome to join. There's no cost for the class. Okay, if you want to sow into the ministry, you're more than welcome. We would appreciate if you would do that. Amen. So be looking out for an announcement on Facebook for the exact days and times. All right, let me give you one more shot. Hello, Japan. Mexico. Oh boy, I know that hurt. They take advantage of this hill. Hello, Spain. All the people here taking photos. All the parents. Everybody out here taking photos and videos. It's a fun thing to do. It is a fun thing to do. Oh goodness. They got these things out here for like when you get on a pool. Oh my god, look at this one. Oh, that hurt. That hurt. Oh my god. Yes, it's Sunday. It's Sunday. They're having a ball. These kids are. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Please share if you want to. And again, hit me up on Facebook, Gil Burgos Ministries. Amen. Until next time I see you, may the Lord richly bless you. Shalom.